Drone TV, Voice of Drone Technology, GIS and AI Technologies. Introducing Kashiraj Krishna, KV co-founder at Saubha Aerial System.
Hello, good morning. I'm Prerna Jadhav from Drone TV, bringing all the live coverage of this exciting event on our platform that is Drone TV. So, where we are showcasing all the technologies and innovations on one platform. So, could you please introduce yourself and explain what your company is all about?
Hi, I'm Shivich from Saubha Aerial Systems. We make safety systems for drones anywhere from 2 kgs to 100 kgs. And when you put our module in any of the drone, let's say it's all hovering at a particular height, and some malfunction happens, like motor fails, AC fails, or any of the electronics fails. Usually, it will be a drop or some chaotic movement. So what our system does is, we have an autonomous trigger system. It detects the chaotic movement and it detects a chaotic movement and deploys a parachute to safeguard the drone completely. It does everything on itself.
Is there any working model you want to explain, like, or the prototype?
Yeah, we have a video which we can show. But yeah, I'll just show you how.
Or you the working of your model?
Yeah. We have 3 types of ejection system. So one is string based, one is pneumatic based, and one is pyro based. So I'll show you the working model of a string based. See? So let's just open. So what you have to do is, you have to just load the string. Once it's loaded, you just have to add your parachute. So this is a 8 kg parachute. So I'll just add it here, please. And basically what I'll do is I'll trigger this.
Also, it's
So it triggers like this, and the parachute comes out and inflates and basically safeguards the drones.
alright. Is there any similar company which is doing this, like the similar product you are doing?
Yes, so there's a similar company. Our main competitors are from Israel, Parazero, and Fruity Shoots, and few other companies. There's a company in India called Utoria Systems. They are doing it. But what we are unique from all this is our solution are very lightweight. So we get this the materials from Gujarat and locally stitched. And these are very lightweight. Let's say for a 4 kg system, this parachute is around 75 grams.
Okay.
And all our modules are made from carbon fiber and other lightweight materials. And we have developed our own autonomous trigger system. So this is as powerful as a flight controller.
Okay.
And it is basically when it detects all the motion on its own and deploys a parachute.
Okay, and what is the costing price like?
Our basically 25 kg system, including the parachute, ejection, and autonomous module, will come around 1.3 lakhs
Okay, like altogether.
altogether.
Okay, and like what sizes are there of the parachute? Like from
We have parachutes from 2 kgs to parachutes, ejection, and autonomous from 2 kgs to 100 kgs.
okay, so like have you been collaborated with Indian companies or global companies?
Yeah, we are collaborated and we have supplied few of the safety systems to few drone delivery companies and loitering munition companies and defense companies.
So it is in real time use.
Yeah, it's a real-time use. We have tested all this 4 to 25 kgs as now. And we are planning to test 25 plus kgs to 100 kgs soon. And we are planning to get all this stuff standardized. There's something called ASTM TT22. We are trying to get all our parachutes standardized so that we can, there will be no problem in terms of strategy, standards and this thing to our customers.
So it is certified?
Right now it's not certified, but we are getting it certified, ASTM standard certified.
Okay, and where do you see your drone and your products after 5 years?
We want our products to be in all the drones, and we want all the drones to have some safety systems so that it can save lives also and save their investments also.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.